Pandemic or no pandemic, indoors or outdoors, inhalation of pure air is a necessity and you can't ignore it. Air pollution is a growing concern for us and our family. About 51% of pollution is caused by industrial pollutants, 27% by vehicles, 8% by crop burning and 5% by fireworks. India recorded the world's highest annual average concentration of PM 2.5 exposure in its air in 2019, according to the State of Global Air 2020. It contributes to the premature deaths of over 2 million Indians every year. It is hard to escape, no matter how careful we are. It is all around us. We are surrounded by a blanket of pollutants that could be consequential to our lives, and one of the major pollutants in the air is PM 2.5, which is a concern for people's health. The PM 2.5 particulate matter refers to the fine inhaled particles with diameters equal or less than 2.5 micrometers. The fine particles are made up of thousands of small hazardous chemicals that pose the greatest risk to health. Impact of inhaling 2.5. Exposure to these pollutants can irritate the eyes, nose and throat. When you breathe, these tiny harmful particles penetrate into the lungs, leading to cough, high blood pressure, asthma and may lead to heart attack. Now the question is, how will you save yourself from inhaling this PM 2.5? How will you safeguard yourself and your loved ones from this problem? Is there a lifelong solution to it? Yes, Vestige is bringing to you a path-breaking product called Vestige Nasofilter that can protect and safeguard you from the ill effects of pollution and microorganisms. What we often don't realize is that when we are indoors, we are not alone. Innumerable germs surround us and transmit diseases unknowingly. Vestige's Nasofilter is a revolutionary disposable respiratory filter that protects you from air pollution, dust, and toxic pollen. It's a nanotechnology-driven product to ensure breathe-easy pocket solution for air pollution. Vestige Nasofilter is NABL certified and is tested as per ASTM standards. Whether you are in danger of getting infected or being a carrier yourself, Vestige Nasofilter is your daily essential that provides you with 360-degree protection and safeguards you and your family from being exposed. When you apply Vestige Nasofilter, it protects you up to 12 hours. The best part about wearing these filters is that they are nearly invisible from a distance and are safe to use in all weather conditions. It can be worn while cooking, dusting, gaming, running, meeting people, brisk walking, or even while doing daily chores. Precaution is better than cure, and precaution is Vestige Nasofilter, revolutionary protection that safeguards you and your family and keeps you safe. Vestige Nasofilters is an easy solution to keep your body healthy, safe from diseases and viruses. This easy-to-use daily pocket solution lets you inhale pure air whenever and wherever you wear it.